Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to allow camera permission on any Vivo phone browser. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on apps. And on this screen, just tap on see all apps. Now in the search bar, just search the name of your browser. Now I will search Chrome browser. Now just tap on the name of your browser. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on permissions. Now from here, just tap on camera. Now from here, just select allow only while using the app. Just like that. And this is how to allow camera permission on any Vivo phone browser. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.